Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about mixture, mixing two types of material to each other. As an example, let's say we have two types of solution. One type is 90% alcohol solution, the other type is 30% alcohol solution. If we mix a specific amount of each of these solution, how much gonna be the percentage or alcohol percentage of the result? Or we have two type of nuts. One type is $5 per kilogram, the other one is $9 per kilogram. If we mix a specific amount of this type, how much gonna be the price of the result? This type of thing. Or we have a specific alloy which is, let's say, silver alloy, which is $4 per kilogram. With how much silver alloy we should mix it, that at the end the result we have a specific amount of silver alloy which is $9 per ounces or per kilogram or whatever it is. This type of mixture. Now for mixture we have a general formula. I will give you a general formula that works in every situation. I will explain the formula first, and I will make it clear by using some examples. Look at here. If we have a value of x and I am mixing by b value of y, or a percent of x, I am mixing with b percent of y, at the result I will have c percent of x plus y. X and y are the amount. A, B, and C can be price, dollar per kilograms, or percentage. 30% alcohol with 90% alcohol give us how many percent of the result. So X, Y are the values. When we are mixing these two values, it can be kilograms, it can be pound, it can be ounce, it can be liters, whatever it is. When we are mixing X liter of something with Y liter of another thing, the result will be X plus Y liter. Or X kilograms of a nuts that cost $12 per pound. We are adding with Y kilograms of nut that cost $7 per pound. The result gonna be X plus Y kilograms, and the result of the price of the mixture is gonna be $6 per pound. This type of thing. Okay, this is the general formula. In this formula we have 5 unknown: A, X, B, Y, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 unknown. If we have 4 of them, we can calculate the 5th one. If we know 4 of this unknown, we can calculate the 5th one. Sometimes we know A and X, B and Y, and we are looking for C, because when we have X and Y, so we can calculate X plus Y. Sometimes we have A and X and Y and C, we are looking for Y. This type of things. Okay. Now let's use one example. Let's say I have 5 liter of 90% alcohol solution. Okay. And I have 7 liters of 30% alcohol solution. Okay. If I mix these two, at the end, when I'm mixing 5 liter for 7 liter, I have 12 liter at the result. But how much should be the percentage of solution? So I don't know this one, I name it X. Okay, so look at here. 5 liters of, because this 5 is the value, I'm just gonna change it in this way. 90% of 5. Okay, so this one is A, this one is B, right? And this one is X as an example, this one is Y, and this one gonna be X plus Y. Right? As an example, I just name these numbers. So 90% of X, adding with 30% of Y, which is 7. Give me how much? C percent, I don't know, because it's the only unknown is this one. I can name it X, but I want to just follow the formula. I name it C percent of X plus Y, which is 5 plus 7. Okay, now I should calculate this one. We should convert percent to decimal to substitute in the formula. But because all of them are percent, I don't need to just divide by 100. I just can remove this percent sign. So it's going to be 90 times 5 plus 30 times 7 is equal C times 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, if I simplify this one is going to 90 times 5 is 450. 30 times 7 is 210. Is going to be equal 12C. C is the percent of the result. Do you remember? We are looking for C. Now, if I simplify 450 plus 210 is 660. Is equal 12C. And because I'm looking for C, divide both sides by 12. 12. These two 12 cancel each other. At the end, we will have C is equal 660. Let me continue from the top. C is equal 660 divided by 12, which is C gonna be 660 divided by 12, 55. 55. Remember, we should put the percent sign because we were looking how much will be the percent of the result. So result gonna be 55%. One more time, I added 5 liter of 90% with 7 liter of 30%. At the end, I will have 12 liter of 55% of alcohol. Okay, let's do another example. Let's do another example. Let's say I have a store and I have a nuts that I'm selling it for $9 per kilograms. Okay, let's say I have 50 kilograms of nuts that I'm selling $9 per kilograms. But there is another store beside me that they have the same nuts, but he's selling the same nut for $7 per kilogram. Okay, so the store beside me, the same nuts, he's selling $7 per kilograms. Okay, now because my price is more than the store beside my store, so I want to decrease my price. I will go and buy another type, the same type of nuts, but with lower quality, which is the price is $5 per kilograms. Okay, so I want to mix these two and make the result $7 per kilograms to be able to compete with the store beside me. How much of this $5 per kilogram I should mix with this $9 per kilogram to be the result be $7 per kilogram? Clear? Again, explain the example one more time. I have 50 kilograms of nut that I am selling it for $9 per kilograms. but there is a store beside me that's selling the same nuts but with different quality for the $7 per kilograms. Because I want to compete with this store, I'm gonna buy lower quality nuts, which is the price is $5 per kilogram, and I want to mix with this $9 per kilogram my own nuts, but I want to the price be $7 per kilogram. How much of this $5 per kilogram I should mix? This is the question. So let me write this $5 per kilogram here. And this was, if you remember, this was the formula. A value or percent or dollar per kilograms of X amount. If I mix it with B dollar per kilograms or percent or whatever with Y amount, it will give me C of X plus Y. This is the general formula that I have. Now, if I want to substitute this value in this formula or equation, the X value that I have is 50 kilograms. I have from this X value 50 kilograms, and the price is $9 per kilogram. So 9 of 50 plus, I don't know this one. I know this one because I am adding, sorry, I know this one because I want to mix it $5 per kilogram. So price of this one is $5 per kilogram. But I don't know how much kilogram I should mix with these 50 kilograms. So name it Y. The result, I want to sell it $7 per kilogram. So this one gonna be 7. And how much gonna be the result? The result of the mixture, 50 plus Y. Okay. Now, again, it's a simple equation that I can simplify and solve it. I mix 50 kilograms of $9 per kilograms with Y amount. I don't know how much, but the price is $5 per kilogram. The price of result I want to be $7 per kilograms, and the value of the result is 50 plus Y. Now simplify this one and solve it, find Y. 9 times 50 is 450 plus 5Y is equal 7 times 50 is 350 plus 7Y. Yeah, multiplying this 7 by Y and 50. 450, 5Y, 350 and 7Y. Now, I'm gonna move this 5Y to other side and this 350 to other side. Okay, I can move this 7Y to the other side, but because this 7 is greater than 5, it gives me negative number. It doesn't matter if I move this 7Y to the other side or this 5Y to the other side. At the end, if I move this 7Y, it's gonna be negative. That's why I'm moving this 5Y. But if you move 7Y to this side, again gonna be the same thing. So in this side, I have 7Y minus 5Y. In the other side, I have 450 minus 350. Now, by simplifying this one, 7Y minus 5Y give me 2Y, and this one is give me 100. 450 minus 350. So, because we are looking for Y, divide both sides by 2. Now, these two cancel each other, and Y gonna be 100 divided by 2, which is 50 kilograms. Y is gonna be 50 kilograms. Okay, so this is the other example. So I should mix 50 kilograms of this $5 per kilograms, okay, with my own 50 kilograms, which is $9 per kilograms, and the result I will have 100 kilograms, and I can sell it to $7 per kilograms. Okay, let's do one more example and we are done for this one. let's say I have a 95% alcohol solution, okay, and I want to sell this one for fighting with COVID-19, okay, for sanitizing the things that in this pandemic we need to fight with COVID-19. The solution that is gonna kill the virus of COVID-19, it should be at least 70% alcohol. So I want to make 70% alcohol from this 95%. How much pure water I should add to this one to make it 70%? So let's say I have 20 liters of this one. 20 liters of this 70% alcohol. How much pure water? How much pure water I should add to this 90% that the result with 70% alcohol? Again, the question is, I have 20 liters of 90% alcohol and I want to create 70% alcohol. Okay, how much pure water I should add to this 95%? Now, 95% of 20 liter, 95% of 20 liter. I'm just putting the liter to make it more clear at the beginning. Plus pure water. Pure water, it doesn't have any alcohol. So the amount of alcohol in pure water is 0%. So 0% of, I don't know how much, just name it X liter or Y liter, okay? The result should be 70%, and the value of the result is going to be 20 plus X, 20 liter plus X liter, which is going to be 20 plus X. Okay? This is the equation. The most important part is creating the equation, making the equation. And remember, I just used this example that if we have pure something, if you want pure water, if you want to dilute something, in this case it's alcohol. We have many type of things that we want to dilute it. Make the percentage, decrease the percentage. We call it dilution. Okay? We add it with pure water. We mix it with pure water. The pure water, the percent of whatever it is, has 0% of any other material. So I just use this example to show you that the pure water has 0%. Now solve the equation. 90%, 95%. Can you see, because there is percent here, percent here, percent here, I can remove the percent sign instead of dividing by 100 everything. Okay, so it's gonna be 95 times 20 plus 0 multiplied by this one is gonna be 0. 0 multiplied by everything gonna be 0. It's gonna be 70, 20 plus X. 95 times 20 is 1900, is equal 70 times 20 is 1400 plus 70x. Now move this 1400 to other side. 1900 minus 1400 give me 70x. 1900 minus 1400 is gonna be 500, is equal 70x. Because we are looking for x, we should divide both sides by 70. These two 70 cancel each other, and x gonna be, x is 500 over 70, which is equal to 7.14 liter, and this is going to be the final answer. So we should add 7 liter or 7.14 liter of pure water to this 20 liter of 95%, and the result going to be 70% alcohol solution, and we will have 27 liter of 70% of alcohol solution. This one was all about mixing two type of material. I hope you enjoy this video and this video will be useful for you. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.